Okay, so first I start off with putting up my wet hair, and I'm talking to my friend, so that's why I'm like talking. And I first begin by just putting some concealer on my eyes to prep them for the eyeshadow. And then I do my eyebrows, brush them out with a spoolie, and then I take, this is the darkest shade in my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I just kind of do my eyebrows, as you guys can see, do like some lines, and yeah. And then I take my Morphe Copper Spice palette and take these like bronzish colors and put them in like the crease of my eyes and also under my eyes. And then taking my Jaclyn Hill palette, I take the little pink colors like those, put those in my eyes, and it looks a little crazy, but I'm fixing it up right now with some concealer, so you guys watch that right now. And then I take some sparkly colors over the spot where I put concealer, because that just kind of keeps it on there, and I just do that. And then I take some more darker sparkly colors and put those in the outer corners. And then I just clean this up with a makeup wipe, and then I have this really cringy clip, there you go. And then I put on this eyeliner, just like that, and then some concealer and rub that in. It's the same concealer I used in my eyes before. And then I'm using my Fenty Beauty, I don't know what shade this is, but it's very not my skin color. And I just put that on, and then put some powder on. This is a Maybelline powder because I am very cheap, and look how pale I am, it's so gross. Yeah, so then I curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and I'm really bad at doing voiceovers, so I'm sorry, but that's what the makeup looks like. And I forgot my lips, so I'm gonna do that after I put on some rose water. This is Mario Badescu, or however you say that. And then I put on this little Kiko Milano thing, and then that little thing, it's called lip gloss. Yeah, it's from Buxom, it's really nice. And that is my makeup look. Hope you enjoy. So now for my hair, I take this Bumble & Bumble like anti-frizz stuff, and then I take a like Tresemme heat protectant and put that throughout my hair. And then I begin blow drying my hair, and this takes a while because I have very thick hair, and since it's frizzy, after I blow dry it, I have to straighten it. So this is me straightening my hair. As you guys can now see, I curled my hair but forgot to film it, obviously, because I'm just always forget. And I used the largest barrel in my 3-in-1 Numi curling iron set. For my outfit, I'm wearing this really cute romper from a store called Owlfish, and my jacket from Windsor, and then my hair is curled, obviously, and then I have some gold earrings and a necklace and a 16th birthday crown because I'm a queen.
It's my birthday!
Oh, hey, what's up?
And we're going to dinner. It's gonna be so much fun.
It's gonna be great.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, yeah.
So we took a limo, or we're taking a limo. Me and Albron is late, oh my god. You're not invited. No, you're not invited. Hey!
Hello.
You're late! It's okay,
Yeah.
it's okay. You're actually right on time.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Oh, you look cute.
Thank you.
She's probably sleeping after that 5-hour long
Ridiculous.
dance practice.
Ridiculous.
Such a fun day! Having a blast? Yes, for sure. We got some limo drama. We do. But it's okay, because we're switching. We're getting a better limo. A better limo, because this piece of crap is just not enough. Just kidding. It's a little old, but that's okay. Old is good. This song's old, and it's good. Yeah. So we are good.
I think the car's getting blown up.
Fire.
Like it literally it smells like smoke.
And we're gonna die, basically.
We're gonna die. This
Yeah, on the freeway. Bye. We'll celebrate though.
Cheers.
Yo, what's the smell in
Car,
here?
like okay. No,
Guys,
I
we're
do
gonna
not
die on the freeway. Cheers.
I don't have a photo.
So we're pulling over right now.
Yeah, because we gotta check to make sure. Wait, I've been looking here the whole time.
Oh yeah, let's do that. We're in Los We're finally out of the limo. The awful limo that almost killed us. Oh.
Nothing sweeter than being 16. Take a shot, cause a scene, cause you're feeling like a queen. 16, sweet 16, 16.
So, what was your favorite meal item?
This is a hard decision. Well, like food-wise, like how it tasted.
Yeah. And the presentation.
Okay, well, I think the mac and cheese.
Food-wise?
Presentation definitely the cotton candy. Cannot not say that.
What about you, Brooklyn? Presentation and food wise.
I really like macaroni and cheese too, but
It's very good.
presentation. I think my favorite presentation is something we didn't even get. It was like this money thing, and they melted like
Yeah,
huge
I forgot
chocolate
about that,
bar
yeah.
on the cake. That looked really cool.
Yes. In summer, what was your favorite? Cotton candy. Cameron?
What's my favorite meal?
Yeah. Like presentation or food?
Like food, probably mac and cheese. But presentation, this. Like just like look at this.
Look at it.
Great.
Look at her.
Hello, mother.
Oh my god. Limo life. Here we go. This is it.
Are you gonna go?
We're leaving. We're leaving this limo now. It won't. Hold it.
Sugar, how you get so fly?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julia. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Woo!
Guess what my wish was?
Don't tell anyone.
I'm not gonna tell anyone! Because then it won't come true. I wish that all these ladies will be friends with me forever because I have no one.
Let's get another fight.
Yeah! Well, I don't think I've really ever gotten in a fight with any of these people, so they're just the one. Yeah.
Our fights.
I think that's a lie.
Yeah, I think
What?
that's a lie.